As you're working on changing your language and starting to up level to become more of that strategic thinker and more of a leader in operations versus just a doer, there are 3 things that you can start implementing right now that is going to start fixing this problem for you. The very first is to start thinking like a strategic partner. And this is all in the different kinds of questions that you ask. So when you're working with a business owner, instead of saying, what is it that needs to be done? You ask, what are the biggest challenges that you're facing right now? You want to start thinking like a detective, and you start creating a plan of how to solve those problems and how to fill in those gaps. You want to position yourself as an advisor and not just an executor. The second thing that you can do is you can learn how to conduct strategic business plans and create a strategic business assessment for businesses. This is the exact way that I went from charging $25 an hour to making $25,000 a month. I would charge $5,000 for a strategic business plan, and it would walk through exactly all the different pieces that a business needs and where all the gaps are of what they are going through right now. So we talk through all the different obstacles that they have. We talk through the things that they are wanting to achieve, and we create a plan of how we're actually going to achieve that. The third thing you can do is master the tools that are really going to make you indispensable. That does not mean that you have to know every single tool, but I would highly suggest picking maybe the top 5 that you really, really love and learn how to do those really, really well. I find that a lot of business owners are looking for people who have knowledge of their tech stack. And that really, if you know one CRM and you know it really, really well, it's pretty easy to take that knowledge and transfer into a different CRM. But you have to know one really, really well to be able to transfer that knowledge to the next. So pick some of these tools that you are going to get really, really good at, and then it's going to be a slam dunk for business owners that are using that tool